Okay, hi. Well, this dance is called Melody Line Dance, choreographed by Herman Baso from Indonesia on February 2022. There are 32 count, 4 walls, improver level line dance. There is no tag, no restart. Let's start with this section 1. Skate, skate, look shuffle forward diagonally, and then step forward, recover, quarter turn to left with a sweep, and then coaster step. Section 2, Lindy step, and then vine with a brush. Section 3, side recover together, side recover together, step forward, knee up, step back, touch back. Section 4, half turn to right, stomp to right, and then recover left, coaster step, and then V step, out, in. Okay, let's repeat with a count. 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 1. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you can start over again from the beginning. Okay, that's all the tutorial. I hope you can follow the step. I hope you like the music and the choreo. And I look forward to see your demo version. Okay, thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.